Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back, guys. I haven't been posting for so long. I was not feeling well and now I am back. I'm okay. I had some allergic reactions and I was coughing, I was sneezing, and you could even hear me breathe while you were seated next to me or sitting in a room. You could hear me breathe, and that was bad. And I couldn't come and talk to you on the camera, guys, because it was just too much. It was annoying, in fact. So right now my voice is back and my voice is clear and I'm ready to talk to you guys, and I'm ready to come and post videos as usual. But during this time, guys, I wasn't seated, I was working. I opened another channel called Simple Recipes with Mama G. So you can go and check that channel out. So on that channel, I'm doing silent videos because I wasn't able to speak. So I thought to myself, I could not just sit. I'll start doing something. So I'm doing silent videos, cooking silent videos. You hear what I'm talking about? So, so you can go and check that channel out, and if you like what I'm doing there, you can kindly subscribe, you can share my videos, and you can also try the recipes that I'm doing. And yeah, we can learn together. If you can even share your recipes or tell me what you want me to cook, I can do that. So the other thing that I'm doing is that after getting sick or after recovering, I am on a challenge to cleanse my body, because during this time I was taking a lot of medications. Some of the medications made me sick because, guys, I'm highly allergic to chemicals. So some of the medicines, instead of making me better, I felt worse or I get sicker. So at the moment, I'm on a challenge to cleanse my body. I want to cleanse my body. I want to cleanse my system. I want to boost my immune system, and I'm using some teas. I'm using some prebiotics that I make myself. I'm also taking the foods that can help with inflammation, and the teas that can boost my immune system and cleanse my body as well. So if you are interested, you can keep on watching. I will be posting some videos. I'm not sure if I will post them on this channel or on the other cooking channel. So yeah, there are things that I'm doing to get myself to recover, like well. So I'm doing these recipes so that I can recover fully. But right now I am okay, and I want to thank my subscribers for coming back to watch my videos. New subscribers, thank you so much for joining Glorious Ventures. And for those who are watching and not yet subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope one day you will decide to just click that subscribe button. So guys, that is all I have for you today, and I will see you in my next video. And I hope you will go and check out that other channel and see if you can see one or two things that you can learn from there. I hope you love what I'm doing. If so, you can just subscribe and you can share the videos, or you can try and cook and see if you can love what I am doing. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.